India is the second most populous country in the world. Around 18% of the world's population resides in India. However, India is suffering from the worst water crisis in its history. Half of the country's population is reeling under severe water shortage. Major cities in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Nasik, Jaipur, Indore, and Ahmedabad are starting to run out of water. In the summer of 2019, the city of Chennai made headlines for almost running out of water. The city's four main water reservoirs had gone completely dry. The crisis forced schools, hotels, and restaurants to shut down temporarily. Many offices asked staff to work from home in a bid to conserve water. Residents had to stand in long queues for hours to get water from government tanks. Most of the city's water supply was dependent on water tankers. High prices and low availability of public tankers made water access unaffordable for low income families. The situation also prompted clashes to break out between residents. The Chennai water crisis is a wake up call for all Indian cities. People who have access to safe and clean drinking water take it for granted and don't use it wisely. It is the responsibility of every citizen to see that water is not wasted. Wastewater is recycled and reused, rainwater is harvested, and pollution of water is prevented. According to World Water Council, water is wasted almost everywhere. And as long as people are not facing water scarcity, they believe access to water is an obvious and natural thing. Correcting measures can be taken to avoid the crisis from worsening. Let's take a look at some of the ways to prevent wastage of water. Regularly check for water leakage inside and outside your house. Turn off the faucet while you scrub the dishes, rinse your hands, and brush your teeth. Use a wash basin to wash fruits, vegetables, and dishes instead of running water. Wash your car less and use a bucket instead of hose. Cover your pool. Not only does a cover retain a heated pool's temperature, but it reduces evaporation. Water your plants at dusk or early in the morning to prevent the water from evaporating. Most of our household wastewater can be reused. Rinse water from washing machine can be used to flush the toilet and mop the floor. Irrigate the plants at home with used kitchen water. The RO wastewater can be used to wash your car, mop the floor, and water the plants. Make it a habit to empty your half-filled bottle or glass over a plant. The world is more than anything the site of shared living. It must become a habit to not waste any amount of water, no matter how small the quantity. Every drop of water counts.